Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.45. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock has broken through a wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in the trend. Should there be a reaction, support will be found at the roof of the current trend that has been broken, specifically at $284.66. This level could present a second chance for a significant upward move. According to fan theory, the next possible peak in the trend may be $369.57, which could act as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 18.42% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between negative 42.79% and negative 18.46%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 38.34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 13.86% and 160.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $324.30 and $743.27. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Tesla Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Tesla stock price gained 3.11% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, rising from $276.22 to $284.82. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.72%, with a day low of $279.41 and a day high of $289.80. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.75% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 26 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 96 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $27.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, while the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price is 41.7%, or $203.72, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla has made headlines today by attempting to trademark the terms Robotaxi and Cybercab, reflecting its commitment to innovating in the autonomous vehicle space. This move signals an intention to capitalize on future business prospects, potentially boosting investor confidence in the long term. However, the company is currently facing challenges. Sales in China have plummeted, highlighting its diminishing dominance in the world's largest electric vehicle market. Such a slump could weigh down short-term stock performance as investors assess the implications for Tesla's growth trajectory. Additionally, the cancellation of the $16,000 Cybertruck range extender due to delays may exacerbate consumer frustration and affect pre-orders, which could further impact sales and stock sentiment. In contrast, the broader market is showing signs of recovery, with positive developments in trade negotiations helping lift investor spirits. Analysts like Alfonso Munoz are optimistic about an eventual rebound for Tesla, linking it to a potential recovery in the autonomous vehicle sector and the overall tech market. As investors digest these mixed signals, the current pressure from declining sales juxtaposed with promising future innovations may create volatility in Tesla's stock price. In the long term, innovations like the Robotaxi could drive growth, but short-term challenges must be addressed to maintain investor confidence and stabilize stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned a buy rating to Tesla with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Goldman Sachs rated Tesla as neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Piper Sandler assigned an overweight rating to Tesla with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Morgan Stanley assigned a buy rating to Tesla with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average sits above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will likely be found at $280.93 and $262.97. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, resulting in a decline of 2.47% so far. Continued declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 62 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $282.76. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating notable volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.39 between its high and low, which represents 3.72%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 420 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $284.95. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $282.76. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 9,780 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 57.122. Overall, insiders purchased 900,495 shares and sold 3,227,569 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $272.62, indicating a decline of 4.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there's a sell signal resulting from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that the prices near the breakout point will represent particularly favorable levels, but we also consider the current level to be a viable buying opportunity for the short term. Our analysis has upgraded this stock from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we expect Tesla to open lower by approximately 14 cents, starting at $284.68. We remind you that trading involves a considerable risk of losing money, and it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.